Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Cynthia. Cynthia Separa. Florist. Ngisebenza as a florist and ngiphinde futhi ngi-owner ye-Stargazer flowers. So busy ngoku-arrange ama-flowers. I don't have a partner so far lengisebenza naye ngoba ngisaqala and lokunye ukuthi ngisafuna ukukhula. That's where sengikhona ukuthi ngiqashe abantu. So far busy ngema-flowers, busy ngema-hampers, ma-weddings ngiyawenda, ma-funerals, whoever layatako. Just i-florist is based on the happier, kujabulisa abantu. Kujabulisa abantu is the point ngoba kuna-sympathy uyamkhalisa umuntu, kunokupamparisha umuntu endlini just umjabulise. Lesinye isikhathi umuntu ufila down, then if you buy them flowers they feel much better, babe relief labo bantu labo. So sinema-anniversary futhi as well. Lapho kule anniversary you can still do ma-flowers. Cinema-funerals, ma-funerals la nowadays mostly they want flowers. So I also arrange ma-funerals. Ma-hampers, goodie hampers. Ma-hampers army is not about just goodie hampers. They different hampers. Gune pampering hamper where you can buy ma products, certain products okupamparisha umuntu. Ungampamparisha ngema skin products ngurephele sona or nguthengele sona ngurephele sona. Ungampamparisha by buying them timbahla. Let's take for a newborn baby. Yeah, for a newborn baby, ngithengele lawo ma goodies lawo it's a boy or it's a girl. Also, I also do the naming. It's a girl. Welcome. It's a girl. Ngendele yo hamper siyirephe kamnandi, and still it can go with flowers. So my flowers they go everywhere. Ngitholakala la inside e-pharmacy la kaNyamazane, nasedrobheni ngiyatholakala eShandon Estate. La ngithola khona, ngiyadeliver. I also do deliveries. Don't forget, I also do deliveries. Ngiyadeliver around kaNyamazane, ngiyadeliver around Nelspruit. I can also go further njengokuthi ngihambe outside Nelspruit kuya kaBhokweni. I can also do that. I can also do outside that side of Pinar, the east outside of Pinar. Nalapho siyadeliver. So wherever it's just we communicate, then sisho ukuthi singabhadala kanjani, we do the deliveries. Igama lami ngiCynthia. I'm a township entrepreneur.